What up? It's Will Vitela, home tech expert, back in Whittier, California. Here working inside of a bedroom, installing the home tech expert way, a 55-inch 4K TV with a Sonos soundbar speaker attached underneath it on a pull-out, swing-out type of TV bracket that swings to the left, it swings to the right. Especially this is helpful when the TV's off-centered, off to the corner, just like this. Check this out. What a beautiful big swing in order to be able to see it from one side of the room or the other side of the room. Clean and simple, and take another look at that sound bar underneath. That sound bar plays not only the TV sound, but also Spotify or Apple Music, and has voice control built in. This is how it gets done the home tech expert way. Clean, professional, with hidden wiring. If you want to get something done like this at your home, go to my website and schedule a free in-home estimate. HomeTechExpert.com. Thanks for watching.